Today we're here at Fountain of Life Bible Church in Johnson City, and I'm joined by Dr. Vic Young and Steve Nickel from Samaritan's Purse over in North Carolina. And I'm going to start with Dr. Vic here. Doc, y'all did a great thing this morning. Your congregation did a great thing this morning. Tell us exactly what you did for Samaritan's Purse and the folks over in North Carolina and here in East Tennessee.
Right. Like a lot of the area churches, we've been gathering goods up, generators, clothes, blankets, all that. And we've been delivering them in some of the worst areas that the disaster hit. However, we wanted to do something through an organization that this was professionals and could make a bigger dent. And so about 2 weeks ago, I got our elders and deacons together, and I said, I'd like to make a sizable donation. And they said, how big? I said, $100,000. I said, take a week and pray about it. And they said, there's no need. We're in. Do it.
Wow. And they handed that check to you today. That's going to
New Life Bible Church. And Dr. Vic, thank you for that vision. So grateful, and many others God has motivated to do similar kinds of things, and so we're in a great position to channel that through and help many people. Thousands and thousands of people are going to be helped.
Absolutely. And you mentioned too, you told the crowd that gathered here just a little bit ago that all of that money is going out into the field to help the boots on the ground, to help folks, because the generosity of other people have given to take care of your overhead there at Samaritan's Purse.
Now, many people give where most needed, we call it, to the general fund so that we can do anything, and God has prospered that so that 100% of these gifts given for this disaster will go to the project itself. And so it's 100%. I just want to say about New Life Church and the many churches through whom we're working, it really is a partnership in the gospel that God has designed. Franklin Graham has said, and Edward, his son, who's our chief operations officer, it's great what the government can do, but the church is the first responder in any community. And we love to see that because God is a giver. He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him should not perish but will have eternal life. He is the first responder, and the church is His first responder in the world. And so we're really glad to partner with the church.
I can't say it better than that. Steve Nickel, thank you so much. Dr. Vic Young, thank you so much. Folks, amazing works being done all across our region for folks in need. Neighbors helping neighbors.